Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will go over the installation process of MongoDB on a Mac computer. First, the installation process is optional. You can use the following link to access a MongoDB terminal. Click on this link. And then you are then forwarded to a MongoDB terminal. Within a few seconds, the MongoDB shell will load and then you are ready to begin. I do, however, recommend that you download MongoDB because any work you do in MongoDB will automatically be saved. All of your databases and all of your collections will be saved. This way, as you continue the course, you can automatically start MongoDB and continue to work. If you use the terminal, none of the collections or database will be saved. You will have to run the command each time you begin to work. This is why for this course I set it up in a way that the videos are not too long and you can complete an exercise within 15 to 20 minutes, regardless if you're using the online tutorial shell or you are using MongoDB. First, let us begin the installation process. To install MongoDB on a Mac computer, search Homebrew or go to the link https://brew.sh/. Once you go to this home page, copy the install Homebrew source code. Copy the source code and paste it inside of a terminal. Open a terminal window. And paste all of that code inside of the terminal. Once you paste that code inside of the terminal, within a few seconds the Homebrew package will install. Then clear the screen and type the following command: brew install MongoDB. Hit enter and MongoDB will install. This install usually takes a few seconds. Once the command is stopped running, you can clear the screen and hit the command mongo --version. You will then see the MongoDB shell with the version. This means that MongoDB was installed successfully on your computer. And that is all that it takes, just a few commands, and within a few minutes a successful install. For part B, I would like you to install MongoDB Compass. Search MongoDB Compass or go to www.mongodb.com/products/compass. Click on Try It Now. Then select the community version. Download MongoDB Compass. It will be a zip file, so unzip and drag the MongoDB icon into the application folder. On your Mac computer, go to Finder. When you open Finder, go to Computer. In Computer, you will be in the root directory. Double-click on Macintosh HD, and create a new folder inside of the root directory. Name that folder Data. Then open the Data folder and create a new folder called DB, Database, DB. Once you've done this, return to the terminal and enter the command mongod and hit enter. This will load the MongoDB server. Once the server is loaded, open a new terminal window. So you are opening a second terminal window. And in that window, type mongo --host, localhost, semicolon, and the local host port number is 27017. Hit enter to connect to MongoDB. Then, a window like this will pop up. Once this pops up, you are now connected to MongoDB. Or rather than pop up, all of this data will load, and you will know that you are now connected to MongoDB. Then open MongoDB Compass and click Connect. Everything will be preloaded, the local host and the port number. Click Connect, and congrats, you have now installed MongoDB Compass. Now, I went over all of the steps for you to install MongoDB and MongoDB Compass. If you would like to see a video that shows you how to install this, click on this link. I am providing you with a free YouTube link that shows you how to install MongoDB and MongoDB Compass step by step. Just click on this link and you will be able to see a video with instructions with each step by step. I have previously installed MongoDB when I created this class. Therefore, I am not creating my own video, but I did create this PDF and I am providing you with a link. The user who goes through the installation does a very good job. I have used it with students in previous classes and I have used it myself when I installed MongoDB. So if you click on this link for a Mac installation, you will see his guide to install MongoDB step by step. He also has a video to install MongoDB on a Windows system step by step. So if you're using Mac, click on this link. If you're using Windows, click on this link. In the next video, I will go over a step-by-step guide on how to install MongoDB on a Windows computer. I will see you then. Thank you.